Understand it. Kasi they've been suffering for how many years?
Mga 3 years na tayo.
Diba? So, unacceptable yun. So, we'll fix this. And then we also have funding for the replacement of this old bridge, the 1968 fund. It will also start naman next year also. But this will take some time. But we aim to fully fund this na in the next 2 years. So, hopefully, before the 2028 election, before the president's term ends, tapos na rin itong bridge. So that's our commitment. June next year for this, and then commitment natin dito is before the end of the president's term, tapos na rin ito. So that's our commitment. Pasagitan mo natin
Sige.
si Congress.
Una, napapasalamat kami kay Secretary at saka ang DPW Shopee, mas maganda doon tayo, naglalakad tayo, hindi pwede nakatambay kasi medyo problema talaga yung structural integrity. At napapasalamat kami kay Presidente, President Bongbong Marcos, na pinadala mo talaga sa Secretary. Sa Misamis Oriental, Visayas at saka Luzon, alam namin dumadaan kayo dito araw-araw. Ito, nabigyan ng pagkakataon na bisita ng Secretary, may commitment na yung Bridge C matatapos by June of next year. Hopefully, giginhawa tayong lahat. Maraming salamat talaga kay Secretary. Maraming salamat talaga.
So, I just want to reiterate the people's commitment, the President's commitment. We will finish this. I'll come back here. Sabi sa akin ni Kong Rufus, 14 years na walang DPWH Secretary nagpunta sa region.
Walang unikot dito.
Natin ay pauumpisa lang po. So hopefully by next year, matapos na din.
What part of next year?
Mid next year.
So, June.
June 2027.
Papangako namin yung ito. Papangako ko to na June.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, by June, hindi na nagka-traffic dito kasi one way na tayo.
One way na po tayo.
So, 2 lanes.
Yes, sir.
Mawawala yung Hindi mo, minumura tayo ng mga tao doon.
Oo.
Minumura tayo dyan. Diba? So, I can commit that. June.
Yes, sir.
If not, earlier.
Yeah.
24/7 ka na. Habang hindi umuwi, no?
Oo.
And I'll talk to you after. On how we can meet the deadline. O yan ha, June next year, bago magtagulan next year.
Opo, sir.
And then, we will also, because how much money do we have for the kids?
700.
700 po.
Out of 1.5.
At least may bahay tayo, Mitch. At least may bahay tayo, pwede pa natin dagdagan yung 700.
God willing.
If we have savings, we can add to the 700.
God willing.
May bahay tayo. Kung ma-release yung... Wala ba tayong 2026 dito sa replacement?
Wala pa po,
Hindi,
sir.
sa augmentation, wala tayo.